Welcome students. In this video I'll be talking about how to use branching in Python. So branching is help us control the flow of a program. For example, let's say if you want to run a series of commands, and then under certain condition, then you are gonna use what we call branching. So that is done by something that we call if statements. If statements. So branching is done by if statements. So in this video, I would like to program a program that asks the user to input their age, and based on the input age, the program will categorize the user into different age groups. As you can see, child is between 0 and 12 years old, teenager is between 13 and 19 years old, and adult is between 20 and 64 years old, and senior we consider as 65 years and above. Okay, so let's start. So each category, we're probably gonna need we're gonna need to check each category for this program. I'm going to use something called a try statement that you're gonna learn later. A try statement, basically, I want to use it in case we get any invalid error, invalid input from the user. So we're gonna do so we call it a try statement. Okay, so try colon, and then at the bottom we're gonna put except value error. So if we have a valid input, so this try statement is gonna look for it. It's gonna display something. So we're gonna display print, and we're gonna say invalid input. Please enter a valid age. Okay, so now we're gonna do the branching in between the try statement. So that way we're gonna check for the child. So child has to be between 0 and 12. But what if the user enters something that is negative? So you have to track that. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the input statement. So first get input. First get input from user. We're gonna get the input by doing we're gonna call our variable it's gonna store our age from input. We're gonna call it age, the variable, and then we're going to do an input statement, and we're gonna tell the user, please enter your age. Okay, so now we first part is done. Okay, so we're gonna input the age into the program. So now after what, we're gonna do the branching. The branching is gonna make us decide whether it's a child, a teenager, adult, or a senior. Okay, so for the first I want to check if the input, so check if age is negative. So how can we do that? Age less than 0, right? So if age is less than 0, we're gonna print age cannot be negative. And now what if, okay, so that takes care of the negative inputs, negative ages. Okay, so now there's no such thing as negative age, so we need to get a different age. So it has to be something between 0 and 65 and above. Okay, so else if, and now we're gonna do another branching. So if the age is not negative, we're gonna check if it's less than 12. So we're gonna look at the boundaries of each age group. So if age is less than or equal to 12, then we're gonna say print what kind of, that would be a child. So that would be, you're gonna output you are a child. Now we're gonna do another elif, and we're gonna say we're gonna check for teenagers. So if it wasn't a child, we're gonna check if it's a teenager. So how do we do that? Age has to be less than or equal to 19, and then we're gonna print you are a teenager. Now we need another elif. So now we're gonna check where it's an adult. So it has to be less than or equal to 64. So if age, else if age is less than or equal to 64, we're gonna print you are an adult. And lastly, but not least, we're gonna do an else statement. That means that anything beyond 64 has to be a senior. So print you are a senior. And remember, everything is in between the try and the try except. So if the user inputs a letter, we're gonna output invalid input. Please enter a valid age. Okay, so let's test our program. Okay, so look, if you look at the console on the right side, it's asking please enter your age. So I'm gonna enter the age. So for example, we're gonna test each. We're gonna say -3. What happens when it's -3? Let's see. So we need to convert. So remember, if you remember, when you input something, you have to cast it into an age. So it has to be casted by. You have to turn it into an integer, because right now, age is a string. Okay, so now let's do it again. Oh, I need to get rid of this -3 here. Okay, so now let's clear okay, let's clear the console, and now we're going to run it. Okay, enter age, negative, let's see, -3. So it's right, age cannot be negative. Okay, now we're gonna load it again. So let's enter the age. So if it's, let's say the child is 5 years old, so we should get a child. Yes, you are a child, that is correct. Now we need to test teenager. So let's see, something like 18. Yes, you're a teenager. Now let's do one more. Let's do an adult. So let's do 55. You're an adult. So and if I choose 70, it should be senior. So let's put 70. You are a senior. But now let's see. Let's try our try statement. So let's see. Let's put the letter ty. Let's put let's put ty, and let's see what it says. So the try statement takes care of that, because look what it says: invalid input, please enter a valid. That's what we wrote here. So it took care of the invalid input, because we require it to be a number, a valid number for an age. So remember, branching the if statement controls the flow of the program. If you want to make it do something based on a condition, then you use branching. So thank you for watching. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you.